Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix turning on stolen device protection requires one my iPhone to be turned on. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing this type of issue that whenever you try to turn on your stolen device protection, you must see the error that turning on stolen device protection requires one my iPhone to be turned on. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, just go back, relaunch your settings app, go to general, go to software update, just try to update your software. Once you updated your software, just go back. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then go to privacy and security, select location services, enable your location services from here because to enable Find My, you must need to enable your location services. Once I've done, just go back, tap on your Apple ID, and here just tap on Find My, then select Find My iPhone, and turn it on from here. Once you have turned on Find My iPhone, I recommend just try to relaunch your settings app, then go to Face ID and passcode, and here under your iPhone passcode, and here just scroll down and tap on the stolen device protection and enable the toggle to turn it on. So in this way, you can easily fix if you are facing an issue that turning on stolen device protection requires one iPhone to be turned on. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.